This is a demo of MEKNO, a lightweight localized digital assistant. I'm Keith Lovett, a solution engineer and the architect of MEKNO. Setting the stage for our demo, a hurricane has swept through Charleston, South Carolina. Streets are flooded and the Coast Guard has arrived. We begin with a search and rescue operations coordinator. He opens MEKNO's operations dashboard. Each Coast Guard vessel is equipped with an edge device that contains a GPS and emits its current coordinates back to the coordinator. Let's focus in on vessel Alpha 649 Mike 3, which is currently located outside a shelter on Meeting Street. One of the crewmates, Chris, is preparing for his crew's mission to patrol a loop around downtown Charleston, offering assistance to those in need. MEKNO offers to review any aspects of the brief with Chris. Chris has already done his homework, so he tells MEKNO he's good to go, and asks about the current weather conditions now that the hurricane has passed through. Per Chris's request, MEKNO retrieves and incorporates the latest weather data into its response. Chris then informs MEKNO that he'll be loading 3 crates of bottled water onto the vessel for distribution, and uses the chat command to upload this knowledge to the shared search and rescue schema for the vessel, which the coordinator and civilians have access to. With the facts successfully uploaded, Chris and his crew head off on their mission. Now let's jump over to another person accessing MEKNO, Retta. Retta is a civilian with her dad and little brother at home on Meeting Street. She logs into MEKNO after selecting the nearest vessel. Retta informs MEKNO of her status and location and asks if the crew has any bottled water. MEKNO references the crates of water loaded onto the vessel by Chris in its response. Retta informs MEKNO that her family is safe, but they'd like to be taken to the nearby shelter. MEKNO informs Retta that the shelter is currently at capacity and advises on alternative solutions. Retta uses the verify command to ensure that MEKNO's response is accurate, and when it provides the source of the data, she agrees to explore other options. MEKNO locates another shelter that currently has 12 open beds and asks Retta to confirm that she and her family would like transportation to that location. Retta confirms her family is interested and is available for pickup. She then uses the chat command just as Chris had to review and upload key information. When she does so, the operations coordinator is met with a brief summary, where she's located, her current status, and what she needs assistance with. He uses this information to place an operator pin at Retta's location, noting key info. Chris sees the new operator pin and reads up on Retta's current circumstances. This concludes our demo of MEKNO's value in driving distributed operational efficiency. Thanks for watching.